aspiration is to become a fashion designer and to embody equality of a confident and independent women. And I strongly believe that discipline is more stronger than motivation. Thank you everyone and enjoy the show.
Thank you so much, Contestant. Next, please put your hands to the floor. Contestant name. I think the people returning people that already go.
Namaste.
Nas Allah. Bagaimana lagi?
Thank you so much, Contestant. Next, we have Contestant.
Participating in this KYF has come with an immense pressure, and at times I question why. But I have realized that pressure is where I perform at my best. Without pressure, there are no expectations, and without expectation, there is nothing to push me towards my excellence. My name is Rosemary Lanky. I am contestant number 10. Currently I'm pursuing BTech in Mechanical Engineering and I enjoy listening to music, dancing, and cooking. Well, talking about my aim in life is to become a successful mechanical engineer. And also, I wish to inspire the young women who are afraid to speak up and step forward. I want to influence them to come forward and always believe in yourself and your dream. I stand here today because I want to grow in confidence and use this platform to represent my value. It's not about winning, but about learning leadership and making a positive impact. And most importantly, I want to make my family and society proud. And that is exactly what I'm doing tonight. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Contestant. Once again, can we have a big round of applause for our people? What a cool thing to be returning people that are ready to. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. I think it's a very returning people that are ready to come upon.
To the bright lights of this stage. My journey is a song that never loses its beat. I don't follow the spotlight, I carry it within me.
respected honorable judges, and everyone present here tonight. A warm greeting to Carbiango! I'm your contestant number 11, and I am Mir Sohan Safi, walking with the heartbeat of Colorado, and proudly representing the vibrant spirit of Dora Burglary. I find my voice in song and my freedom in dance, but my ultimate vision is to be the face that inspires a professional model. And I'm here to show you that the beauty is most powerful when it is unapologetically unique. Thank you!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, respected judges, honorable dignitaries, and my lovely audience. I am contestant number 12. My name is Nirlin Baklari. And proud representative of Irani West Carbiango. I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts in Political Science at Northern University. Beyond academics, I'm someone who finds strength in journaling. I believe confidence is not about perfection, but it is about self-belief. Talking about my aspiration is to become an independent and strong woman who can uplift the young generation to raise their voice against harassment, bullying, and inequality. Most importantly, I want to create awareness about mental wellness and life skills. Before I conclude, I would like to wish you all a happy 52nd Kirby Youth Festival. May you all enjoy this splendid evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Contestant number 12. Next, presenting to Contestant number 13.
Kardam Karalangso! Respected judges, my name is Sanika Timunki, and I am your contestant number 13. I am 19 years old. I came from Santigidi, and currently I am pursuing my FYUG second semester art stream in DIPHU Government College. I like gardening in my free time and inspired to be Miss Assam. Believe in yourself and to never give up. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Contestant number 12. Next, please give it a applause, Contestant number 14.
Good evening to all the judges and everyone present here. My name is Premier Sohan Safi, and I proudly come from DIPHU Carbiango, a place rich in culture, strength, and simplicity. I believe beauty is not just about how we look, but also about how we grow, how we carry ourselves, and how we stay kind even while chasing our dreams. I enjoy journaling because it helps me understand myself deeply, and cooking because it teaches me patience, creativity, and love. Through this platform, I want to represent a woman who is graceful, confident, and grounded in her values. Someone who chooses growth over fear and purpose over doubt. I don't chase perfection, I choose growth with grace. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Contestant number 14. Next, please put your hands to the floor, Contestant number 15.
Good evening, everyone, and Kardam Taralangso. I am Lydia Hansafi, your contestant number 15, residing from a beautiful place in Romsut, Dimalasau, aspiring to be a future geologist. I am currently pursuing my graduation from Arya College, Guwahati. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Contestant number 15. Next, can have Contestant 16.
and vibrant culture. Success comes to those who dare to attempt it. And I am humbled to be standing before you as your contestant number 16. My name is Marga Intibi. I'm currently pursuing my entrance from college in DIPHU and aspire to become a cabin crew. To the all young minds out here like me today, let us all chase our dreams and patient with courage. Believe in yourself in all that you are because wonder begins where fear ends. With that, I would like to conclude my introduction. Have a good time. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next, and we have Contestant number 30.
DIPHU TARALANGSO. First of all, respected honorable judges, chief guests, dear participants, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anamika Panchapi and I come from Maharashtra. And currently I am pursuing my bachelor's in political science in Howrah College. My hobby is playing chess, reading self-improvement books, watching phones, cooking, and much more. So, my main intention to come in KYF is to be boast my confidence, not only is to celebrate our ancestor roots. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Contestant number 17. Next, presenting you Contestant number 15.
Dito junior di. Oy, kilakat.
Hello everyone. The life beyond those who believe. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to the respected judges. My name is Mirdan Kramsapi. And I am proud to represent Manja, a town renowned for its beauty. It's an honor for me to represent the Singhasan constituency. My hobbies include traveling, spending time with small children and listening music too. And my goal is to achieve success and be independent, to embody the qualities of driven and empower women. And one thing which I always used to believe is that life has meaning when you do what is meaningful to you. So we should always do the thing which make us proud and happy so that we can achieve the thing which we want in our life. That is the most important thing I would definitely love to share with the people of everywhere out there. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Contestant number 18. Next, please give it up for Contestant number 19.
From being a daughter of a farmer family, I have learned the value of patience, endurance, and most importantly, the belief of faith in the process. Gardon, namaste, and good evening to esteemed honorable judges and all the ladies and gentlemen present this evening. My name is Virtika Disopi. I am your contestant number 19. I stand before you as a proud 19 years old individual shaped by my roots, my values, and my dreams. With esteemed pride, I'm proud to represent my vibrant town, DIPHU, under the constituency of Lumberjong. I am a BCom student currently pursuing my EVA UG second semesters at DIPHU Government College. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Contestant number 19. Next, please put your hands in the floor, Contestant number 20.
Pardon, Talangso. First of all, good evening to respected judges, honorable guests, and to all the beautiful people of Carbianglo. A warm, heartfelt
Thank you so much, contestant number 20. So once again, please make some noise for contestant number 20. KYF 2026. Kosola domani tu, lami sendi, lami semalang kota. Arjulong pami medalo. Semua tu jasa pet, amen lapen. Address link cili tu kita install domani tu. Thank you, 2026, which is presented by the Karbi Cultural Society in collaboration with Jambi Asong NGO. Before we move on with the second round, at this point in time, we would like to do the honor of felicitating to our invited guests of this evening.